Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, part 4. Let's get started.
As you can see, we just finished laying down our tarp. It's very important to make sure that you have complete floor protection. That way you don't risk spilling any paint or primer on your wood floors. As you'll see, we're priming over two different surfaces today. On this surface is a putty coat. It's a full coat of mud over the wall, so it'll absorb the primer and paint differently than over sheetrock. Before priming, it's best to get the dust off the surface, so you can either use a compressor and blow the dust off the wall, or you can use a fine bristle brush. Lightly wipe down the walls, get the excess dust off. The excess dust can ball up in your primer and leaves chunks of debris. The other surface we'll be priming today is a sheetrock surface. You can see the mud where the screw tracks are, as well as the flats and the butt joints that have mud on them. But as we sand, it has a tendency to rough up the paper of the sheetrock.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.